and the peace club.
Bet say them I can't stop.
I've been waiting on this one. Watch it. 5 a.m. Just got a call from wifey. Wifey said she feel like somebody coming at the house through the back door. Right? Rode me there, in a hotel room. When she realized that some construction people outside do some work. See? So, with that said, she goes back to bed and boom, I scroll IG and see Dull Color official music video. Vybz Kartel and Popcaan drop. Go check it out now. On YouTube, Vybz Kartel Radio. Mr. Bomba Clot review time. 5 a.m. Enjoy this. This one is for you, yeah? This is facts. I'm gonna need a whole album from Vybz Kartel and Popcaan. Dancehall needs an entire album, not a single collab. A whole album from the teacher and the prefect. If you know the history, you know. Remember, I told you years ago that this was forever and chess was being played, not checkers. Oh, the links them too tall now. This is history we are witnessing. Some cartel supporters, right, had written Popcaan off because they said that it was beef and they were taking sides with the teacher. So you know, say anything the teacher said, that how I go. I said I wasn't buying into that beef. Remember when them try paint Popcaan as some kind of snitch and some kind of sellout, and then they tried to put out all kind of rumors, say Vybz Kartel put out a hit on Popcaan and all these things. Y'all remember that? Okay. Them try everything to destroy this link, But this link is so strong, indestructible, undestroyable, unbreakable. We said everything in due time. And well over a decade later, we have a masterpiece. Hashtag Dull Color. Y'all paid attention to Dull Color? I'm encouraging you, man, if you haven't really sit down and watched this video and listened to the words in this song and paid attention to the visuals, paid attention to the beat, paid attention to the sounds, word, sound, and power in this song, you need to. First of all, mate, did you hear the beat to Dull Color? Did you hear the rhythm to Dull Color? Fam, you're gonna have to meds this rhythm alone. Just meds the rhythm alone. Just make the track run and meds the rhythm alone by itself. Production rights goes to Ike Dunn. Ike up on the beat. That way. The visuals directed by Face Expression. Oh my word. Can I say any more? There's a scene in there upon a pair of clocks where you have Popcaan and look like Miss Rona. There's also so many other scenes. Just even the way how the video start out. A trying, hustling brother, He's there doing the work. And the person in charge come and run him off of the job. You know, see when him did that sand down the BMW. When he was sanding down the BMW, they came and ran him off the work. Move from here, son. I don't want no man for my job. I work slow and all these things. You have to say, Jaja. People take advantage of ghetto youths, Yeah, man, all the time. Work harder, work faster, work harder. Let's go. And when you check it out, you run around in a circle, them a spin you like gig. And they're paying you not even a wage you can actually survive off of. Nobody don't want to live poor is a true thing. This is so much to see in this visuals, in this video. You have to watch this video about 4 to 5 times in a row, fam. Dull Color is a social commentary. It speaks to the state of Jamaica as it has been for a long time and as it is right now. It's up to the time. It's current. It serves as a motivation for every hustling, trying ghetto youth who refuse to sit down or lay down and be a victim. Kartel says them stress here that all islands. These types of stress is in all islands. That means this one is not just for Jamaica. The struggles we face is in every Caribbean island on the map. But listen what he said about the same stress. But a stress still make all diamonds. Positive mindset, my friend. Positive mindset, that means say I go through some stress. Just remember, say a stress make diamonds. So you have to come up out of that. But it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy, it's gonna be rough. See? Popcaan says, any means necessary, we gone. Any means necessary, we gone. Forget the big blanket to keep my kids warm. You know what that means, right? Nobody don't want to live poor, fam. And all the hold down obstacles in our way kind of thing, the system is set a certain way. Any means necessary, we gone. Mindset. That means no hold down thing, no self-pity thing. Militant mindset required to make it. No joke thing. Watch the last verse in this song. The last verse in the song is the deepest of them all to me. By the way, I want you who are listening, after you done watch this video about 4 or 5 times, run up the numbers and ting. Leave your comments over there at Vybz Kartel Radio on YouTube. I want you to also actually tell me under this comment section, what's your favorite part of this song as far as the lyrics goes, and what's your favorite part of this song as far as the video goes. Watch the last verse to this song. Kartel says, the youths them want help, politicians care less. Police are kill them sick yo, them vex. Then Popcaan comes in and says, innocent life turn heartless gunman overnight. How the fuck that take place upon your watch? Society, none do it right. Oh my God, man. Let me say that again for you. The last verse of the song, Kartel says the youth them want help, politicians care less. Isn't that the story of our life though? The only time you see them politicians here acting like they actually really care is when election times come around, right? Other than that, the youths them get stripped of everything. The youths them have to hustle and struggle and bustle and batter upon the minibus of life, trying to make it, friend, under bare pressure upon a daily basis. Yeah, and that's been our story, right? So politicians them care less. Them careless, as in careless as hell, when you lose something because you just don't care about it too much, and they're careless as in there is no care there for the youths. Police are kill them, secure them, vex. Innocent life turn heartless gunman overnight. There's a whole lot in that one sentence right there. Innocent life turn heartless gunman overnight could mean so many things. You know, it could mean a youth didn't want to have to go that route, but he has been exhausted. You know, when you full up of education, like Buju Banton said one time, and no owner payroll, yeah, it can be a very frustrating thing. Everywhere you turn is an obstacle. Everywhere you look, the system designed to keep you right where you are at. And you resort to what is in place, which ends up being this case. Or this could also mean this youth never did nothing, but based on where he's from and based on his surroundings, where he's born and raised, you know, every youth from certain places is just considered bad. In our culture, in our country, in Jamaica, throughout the Caribbean, every ghetto youth can tell you, worldwide, every ghetto youth can tell you, from them say them address, people stigmatize them as, oh, yeah, the youth them will come from around Arima. Oh, criminal youth them, right? Any ghetto you come from, you's a criminal youth. So when police come through and them do them operations and them shoot down who for shoot down, we in a them places here know the youth as an innocent youth, because we know where the bad man them there. We know where the real gunman them there, but we also know the youth them who are just here, existing, born in it, trying to grow up and come out of it. And police come through and just kill any and anybody sometimes. Innocent life turn heartless gunman overnight, because that's what it's going to be reported as in the news. A shootout happened today with the police and 2 men were killed. in the process. 2 firearms were found, one on each individual. That time, sometime, nothing no go so. But here what? Who feels it, knows it. You see what I say? Innocent life. Turn heartless gunman overnight. Sometimes the youth them feel like also that that's the only option they have, fam. Yeah, because it get that sticky. Kartel say about anytime it reach a them door, anytime them start get gunshot, bet say them do and stop watch. Yeah, man, we've been saying that for the longest. We've been doing this for quite some time, and we say, yeah, they're not paying any attention because they live up on the hills. They live in the big mansions. Them have security. Them have them licensed firearm. FLA won't even give you a licensed firearm in Jamaica to protect yourself, even if your record is squeaky clean. If you come from certain neighborhoods. Go figure. Right? Right. So, anytime it reach at them door, most of them don't care because it don't affect them. It hasn't reached their doorsteps yet. Anytime them start get gunshot, we've always said this. Anytime the crime and violence reach into the areas where the upper echelons rub elbows and parlay, then there's going to be problems. Then they're going to respond. Anytime them start get gunshot, then there's going to be a response. Kartel said, but anytime it reach at them door and anytime them start get gunshot, I bet say them do and stop watch. Yeah, bet say them do and stop chat. Because that's all they do is watch and chat and watch. Nothing is being put in place to make sure things get better for the long run, for the future. It's just the same old Sankia sing right through. Y'all see what's going on now? The system rigged, designed for many youths to fail, and those in charge seem to either like it that way. $89 per week, fam. 89 US dollars per week. You want youths to leave school and come work for 89 US dollars per 40 hours of labor. And some of these jobs is real intensive labor in some hot sun and some messed up conditions. And you can't even afford transportation back and forth to work and put some food on your table at home. And then bills and more bills. But nobody wants to live poor like that. So you don't know any means necessary. Yo, I'm loving this one, yo. Dull color is exactly what dancehall needs right now. And like I said in the beginning, I'm going to need a whole album. I hope Vybz Kartel hears this. I hope Popcaan hear this. I hope it's in the making. I mean, I know, I'm in a business who else they want to put on the album, but I need a dancehall collab album between Vybz Kartel and Popcaan. I'm not talking about no single. I'm not talking about no one song. I'm talking about an album, a full out album. Dancehall need this. The culture needs this. With a whole heap of positive vibes on it like this. Go check out the video. I've been waiting on this. Me see the song dropping up, but me never say nothing because I just thought that for someone that is so great, if you know the story and you know where Popcaan and Vybz Kartel them forwarding from way back in the Empire days, way back all the way up till now, up to the time, right? Then you know that these are heights that have been reached, and this is not history in the making. This is history being done right in front of us, and we're witnessing it. They haven't done a collab together in a long time, well over a decade. Yeah, so who was 10 back then at 20 now? Who did a 5 back then is over 15, 16, 17 years old ago, 20 years old now. It's been a while. And we welcome that one. Yeah, go run the numbers up. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And tell me what you think about that one. Yeah, it's a smash for me, for sure. Dull colors. Oh, I'm out. Peace.